Today we are making a boat.
So, let's get started.
First, we will start with drawing water. Now, we will draw a hull.
Then we will draw a mast. On the mast, we will draw a flag.
Now, we will draw the mainsail on both sides of the mast. It will help our boat to sail.
Now we will draw a cloud and a sun.
Then another cloud.
Now it's time to fill colors in our boat.
First, we will color the sun with yellow and orange color.
Now we will color the clouds with blue. Now it's time to color the mast with brown. We will color the flag with red.
If we want our boat to sail, we have to color our mainsail with green and orange.
Hull supports our boat. So, let's color the hull with some beautiful colors, or else our boat will sink. Now lastly, we will color the water with different blues. And it's done! Now our boat is ready to sail. Woohoo!